What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and the rumor mill has just churned out for us a new smartphone. It's from Nokia and it's said to be coming with a punch hole display. Now punch hole displays are becoming popular throughout the smartphone industry. It is the next big trend that is set to replace the notch displays that took over in 2018. And this Nokia phone that is being called the Nokia 8.1 Plus will not be the first one to have this kind of design. The Galaxy A8s and the Honor View 20 have already been launched globally and have a very similar design. That is, they don't have a notch, but they do have the front camera on the front side itself. It is placed on the left corner by making a hole inside the display. This is probably the only way you can get rid of the notch right now without giving the phone a motorized camera like the Vivo Nex S, or maybe a sliding display or a sliding camera module altogether like we saw on the Find X. This seems to be quite a practical approach to get rid of the notch because A, you don't have to create complex systems to place your front camera on, and B, it's quite inexpensive. You just have to create a hole in the display and place the camera there so that it remains at front and you don't need to put extra money, effort or technology to create that design. In fact, it's not just about money or complexity. Many flagship smartphones like the Galaxy S10 or the OnePlus 7 that are launching in 2019 are set to come with punch hole displays, which probably goes to show that if you don't have moving parts in the phone, it's probably going to be more robust. Now, renders leaked by OnLeaks of the Nokia 8.1 show that it will have a punch hole display and the camera is placed on the top left corner. This clears up the forehead of any notch, and while watching movies or even using the interface, you get a nearly bezel-less experience. The rest of the features are very similar to that of other Nokia smartphones: glass back, metal frame, and a headphone jack and a Type-C USB port to go with. The display on the phone is said to be 6.22 inch in size. Now, another recent leak says that this may not be just limited to flagship smartphones. A tweet says that Nokia 6.2 will be coming with a 6.22 inch display with punch hole design. Unlike the Nokia 8.1, its full specifications were shown by the tweet, which also says that the phone will be coming by January end or February 2019. Initially, the punch hole displays may look silly, but they are the only way to get closer to a bezel-free design right now. And even if you don't like them, companies have already started adopting that design. In fact, that was the case with the notch design also, until it became the norm and was used by every other Android smartphone. Do let us know what you think about the punch hole displays in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.